In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a histogram in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open the spreadsheet that contains your data, or create a new spreadsheet if you're starting from scratch. Before creating the histogram, make sure your numbers are organized in a single column or a single row, with one value in each cell. This helps Google Sheets correctly read the data and build the chart properly. Once your data is ready, click and drag to highlight all of the numbers you want to include in the histogram. After selecting the data, move to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on the data you selected. In some cases, it may already create a histogram for you. If it creates a different type of chart instead, don't worry because you can easily change it. Look over to the right side of the screen for the Chart Editor panel. In the Setup section, find the Chart Type drop-down menu and click on it. Scroll through the list of chart options until you find Histogram Chart. Then select it. As soon as you click it, the chart will update and display your data as a histogram, making it easier to see how the values are distributed across different ranges. If you want to adjust the appearance of the histogram a little more, you can open the Customize tab inside the Chart Editor. From there, you can change settings, like the bin size, which controls how the data is grouped together inside the chart. Once everything looks the way you want, your histogram is complete. And that's it. You've successfully created a histogram in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.